Well, this morning we're joined by attorney Greg McIntyre and Brenton Begley to discuss mortality. It's a topic that may be tough to tackle, but the truth is we all face it, be it our own mortality or our parents who are ill. So let's turn to you immediately, because this is where you come in and you're involved, from elder law, estate planning. No one wants to talk about the mortality, but you have to talk about it.
Yes, I have a hard time talking about it, and I've done it for years and years and years in planning with families. And we just need to understand that death is something that's going to come. Knowing that something's going to happen and ignoring it, that's not a plan.
That's not a plan.
We're going into the new year. I just want to get better this year on bringing people to the point where they understand that things that are going to happen, they need to plan for. That if we're going to need long-term care and there's a 70% chance you're going to need it, you need to plan for it.
I think there's also a concern that you have to appoint the right people, correct?
So, well, appointing the right people. Brenton, do you want to handle that and kind of interpret that?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, it's a hard topic to discuss, hard topic to broach, so a lot of people don't even talk about it at all. Communication is lacking, and you know, if you're not able to communicate with the right people and tell them what your wishes are and then appoint them in a trusted position and actually trust them, then you're not going to have the people in your life who can fulfill your wishes and protect you if you're in a vulnerable state. And that's incredibly important. It's hard for people to let go.
So, but also when you're talking about protecting someone that's going to pass away, they got long-term planning and they got to protect their assets so that it gets passed on correctly, correct?
So appointing the right individuals and things like general durable power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney to control things during your life, extremely important. Also, planning for long-term care, we can use trust, deed protection to protect assets and still qualify for benefits to pay for long-term care.
Yeah, I would totally agree. You know, you have to make sure you protect yourself first. You know, put your own oxygen mask on first before you help others, but you want to protect yourself first, then you want to make sure you protect everything you have so you can leave a legacy behind for your children and grandchildren.
And taking this type of action right now releases the stress and anxiety that you have when those times do occur.
When I have super anxiety, I mean, it's not a good feeling, but I step back and say, why do I feel this way? And then I take action. And that's what takes away my anxiety. So yes, if you want to get rid of the anxiety, if you want what we call peace of mind, you take action and you do planning.
You also have a free consultation for people to walk us through that.
I would offer a free consult to any listener out there to sit down to plan with you and your family. You can schedule that by calling our toll-free number 1-888-999-6600 or by scheduling online right on our calendar at mcelderlaw.com.
This is a hard subject to talk about, but you guys make it really easy.
Please do